Hello everyone! In this short tutorial I explain how you can simply create a login for the Bloomberg Market Concept BMC to individually work through to get the BMC certificate you can see here. The Bloomberg Market Concepts is a self-paced e-learning course that provides an interactive introduction to the financial markets. To get this certificate of completion, first of all, you need to be logged into the Bloomberg Terminal. If you haven't used Bloomberg before, I link you here a short tutorial that shows how to create a Bloomberg account. So actually, all you need to do is you just need to type BMC into the command line here and then just click enter. This brings you to the Bloomberg Market Concept page, as you can see here. And here you get further information about what you learn, what are the modules, and actually what you need to do within the Bloomberg Terminal. You just need to sign up here first. Then you can just click as learner. So the next step is to create here a BMC login you need afterwards. So this is not the same as the Bloomberg Terminal login. So you just fill in your first name, last name, your non-Bloomberg email, and you create a password which does not need to be the same as the Bloomberg Terminal password. And then down here you just need to agree the terms of service and you can just sign up here. Okay, so actually when you created your login for the BMC course within the Bloomberg Terminal, you don't need to be logged into the Bloomberg Terminal anymore. So you can just Google Bloomberg Market Concepts, Bloomberg for Education, and actually here you can log in yourself. So you get now to the Bloomberg for Education sign up page. We already created this login, so we need to log in, and here you just enter your email and your just created password. If you have done that, you can go through this e-learning course on your own pace. If this video helped, please leave a like and subscribe for more useful Bloomberg content. Thanks a lot and see you next time.